Exercise number 7 in the Taiso exercise routine is twisting the body. We've gone that way and that way. We've gone forwards, we've gone back a little bit. Now we are going to twist. Because it's a move we do every day, we need to make sure that the body is ready for it. That's what we're doing here. So the feet are shoulder width apart. Your hands are in light fists. We're going to turn to the right, and the arms are nice and loose. So what you're really doing is you're turning the shoulders and the arms are just along for the ride. So that means my left hand is going to just gently slap there, my right hand is going to slap there. And then I go to the left, and they slap in the corresponding places that way. Now, I come around and I'm pushing down more this time. I'm going down and then coming up past my left shoulder and back in. So that was right, left, down, up. To do the other side, I would go left, right, down, up and back in. Again, it might look like a fling. It's not a fling, it's a controlled movement to do that. I'm in control at any point. I could stop at any point. That is a good way of determining whether it's a fling or not, your ability to stop the move at any point. If you can stop the move at any point, it's a controlled movement. If you can't, it's probably a swing, and that's a really good way to pull something. So try not to swing, try for controlled movements. So we're going to do 2 on either side. So right, left, down, up, in, left, right, down, up, in, right, left, down, up, in, left, right, down, up, and in. So the main points to remember on this one is because it's a twist, because there's arms being moved about in a what looks like a flinging fashion, is to keep control. The more control you keep, the more muscles you will work, the better it will be for you. So let's do a spin around. Right, left, down, up, in, left, right, down, up, in, right, left, down, up, in, left, right, down, up, and in. That is not the first take of that, because that one is one that I find difficult to mentally keep up with when I'm doing it, because I just get into the movement. So what I always say about that is, if you follow along with the videos and you can't quite follow it, just pause it and do them really slowly. So do the left one first, then take a break, let that percolate for a bit, then do the right one. Or use a piece of paper, use a notepad on your phone. Use something just to kind of help you. A little bit of help like that is fine. I would rather you did that, because that's learning. And learning is fine. It's just what I don't want is for you just to focus on watching the videos, just for it to become a, oh yeah, he's doing that again. 1, 2, I don't want that, and neither should you. So that is exercise number 7, twisting the body in the Taiso exercise routine.